Assalamualaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, we will talk about how to install latest version of PHP in Xampp. Okay, so first I go to the CMD and check which is my current version of PHP. The command is very simple: PHP and dash v, and it shows me the current version is 7.03. So I want to update my PHP version to latest one, and the latest version is 7.43, and its stable version is 7.3 point something like that. Okay, so I just go to the Xampp website and here install the latest Xampp. So first I download the Xampp. So this is the website, and here I download the latest version of Xampp, and the PHP latest version is wrapped inside it. Okay, so it is downloading, and after downloading, so backup old Xampp, and after that delete old Xampp and then install new. So first I backup the whole Xampp, that is old Xampp, and here name the folder that is old Xampp, and inside this one copy all Xampp files inside this one. Okay, so it takes some time. The backup is very necessary. So my downloaded is complete. Now I install the Xampp, but before install the Xampp I uninstall the old version of Xampp through control panel and uninstall inside the program. This is uninstall program. Okay, so here this is the Xampp, and I just uninstall, clicking on the Xampp, and then uninstall, click on the uninstall button. So it takes some time to completely uninstall the Xampp from my system. Okay, so I close this one and then uninstall. Yes, then it remove all the Xampp files. Okay, so after finish this work, go to your C and delete the Xampp folder as well. Okay, so I go to the C drive and delete the whole Xampp folder. Yes, so it will delete the whole folder of Xampp. Okay, now I am in the right position to install the new version of Xampp. So just yes. So by default I done the installation. If you want to custom installation, then you give your preferred folder name, okay, where you want to install. So I just click on the next and gives the installation to by default way. Okay, next, it open the Xampp website. Just close the tab and click on the next. It will take some time to install the latest version of Xampp, and the PHP latest version is wrapped inside the Xampp. Okay, so after the installation completed, just click and launch the Xampp. Okay, so start the Apache and MySQL. So both services working perfectly and correctly installed. Okay, now let's see what is my latest PHP version. Okay, if I again refresh this link, before that this is 7.03, and now this is 7.3.13. Okay, so it means the latest version of PHP is correctly installed. I can also check it through CMD, command line interface. Okay, here 7.31313, and I go to the CMD and here check the latest version of PHP, and now PHP latest version is this one. Okay, so hope guys you will understand. If you have any questions regarding to this topic, please comment inside the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. If you have any questions, you can also email me, and email is mentioned inside the video descriptions. Stay blessed. Have a nice